Well, welcome to this ValueMed presentation and demonstration video where we're going to run you through how to perform and complete successfully a HbA1C diabetes screening test using the equipment in front of us, the all-test HbA1C test cassette in this foil. We also supply a set of instructions, comes with a read card giving you the indicative colour comparisons for your test line should it form. 2 safety lancets, one just in case you muck up the first finger prick, the buffer solution, which is critical to getting the right concentration to go into the test cassette, and packed in between these 2 little trays is your double-ended or 2-ended capillary tube, which is what you use to insert into the blood droplet that forms after you do the finger prick, and that just through capillary action fills with the correct volume of blood to add the whole capillary tube into the